Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the pancreas. Okay, coming to the pancreas. The pancreas is a soft, finely lobulated, elongated exoendocrine gland. Once again, pancreas is a soft, finely lobulated, elongated exoendocrine gland. The exocrine part secretes the pancreatic juice and the endocrine part secretes the hormones like insulin. Okay, pancreas is a soft, finely lobulated, elongated exoendocrine gland. Exocrine part secretes the pancreatic juice and endocrine part secretes the hormones like insulin, etc. Next, the pancreas. In Greek, pan means all one. Okay, crease means flesh. Is presumably so named because of its fleshy appearance. Because of its fleshy appearance, it's named as pancreas. The pancreatic juice helps in digestion of lipids, carbohydrates, proteins, whereas pancreatic hormones maintain the glucose homeostasis. Pancreatic juice help in digestion of pancreatic juice, that means it is secreted from the exocrine part. This pancreatic juice helps in digestion of lipids, carbohydrates and proteins, whereas pancreatic hormones maintain the glucose homeostasis. Okay, next, location of pancreas. The pancreas lies more or less horizontally on the posterior abdominal wall in the epigastric and left hypochondriac regions. Once again, pancreas lies more or less horizontally on the posterior abdominal wall in the epigastric and left hypochondriac regions. It crosses the posterior abdominal wall obliquely from concavity of duodenum to the hylomospleen opposite the level of L12 to L3 vertebrae. It crosses the posterior abdominal wall obliquely from concavity of duodenum to the hilum of spleen opposite the level of T12 to L3 vertebrae. Okay, the greater part of the gland is retroperitoneal behind the serous floor of the lesser sac. Its left extremity, that tail, lies in the lienorenal ligament. Okay guys, coming to the figure. This is the pancreas where it present at the posterior abdominal wall. It is more or less horizontal. Okay, you may observe here, and it across the it moves from the head of pancreas to hilum of spleen. You see here, you may observe here, concavity of duodenum to hilum of spleen. Okay, you may observe here, and it lies between the T12 to L3. Okay, you may observe here the points what we read. Then once again we need, it is clear to us. The pancreas lies more or less horizontally on the posterior abdominal wall in the epigastric and left hypochondriac regions. Okay, it is lies more or less horizontally. Where it is located? On the posterior abdominal wall in the epigastric and left hypochondriac region. It crosses the posterior abdominal wall obliquely from concavity of duodenum to the hilum of spleen. See here, it crosses the abdominal wall between the concavity of duodenum to the hilum of pancreas opposite to T12 to L3 vertebrae level. Okay. The greater part of the gland is retroperitoneal behind the serous floor of the lesser sac. Its left extremity, the tail, lies in the lienorenal ligament. Okay. Coming to the note, the pancreas is deeply located in the upper part of the abdomen and hidden by many organs, hence not accessible for physical examination. Pancreas is deeply located in the upper part of the abdomen. In upper part, it is deeply located and it is hidden by many organs, hence not accessible for physical examination. You see here guys, this is deeply located in upper abdomen and it is hidden by many organs. You may observe this here. This is the pancreas. Okay. This is the pancreas. Gallbladder, right lobe of liver. This is inferior vena cava. All these are the parts that hidden the pancreas. Okay, you may see here. Okay guys, and next, size and shape of pancreas. Pancreas is J-shaped or retort-shaped, being set obliquely. The bowl of retort represents its head and the stem of retort represents its head, neck and tail. Its measurements are length 12 to 15 centimeters, nearly a short scale. Okay, and width is 3 to 4 centimeters. Thickness is 1.5 to 2 centimeters and weight is 80 to 90 grams. Okay, once again, pancreas is J-shaped or retort-shaped, being set obliquely. The bowl is retort represents its head. This one is guys, this is like a ball. This one is bowl shape. This represents the head of the pancreas, and the stem of the retort represents a neck, body and tail. Its measurements are length 12 to 15, width 3 to 4, thickness 1.5 to 2 centimeters and weight is 80 to 90 grams. Next, coming to the parts. For descriptive purpose, the pancreas is divided into the 4 parts. 1. Head, 2. Neck, 3. Body and 4. Tail. First, head with one process, uncinate process. uncinate process. With one process, uncinate process. Second, neck. Third, body with one process, tuber omentale. And fourth is tail. Remember these points, guys. Head with one process, uncinate process. Next, tail. Next, body. And body with one process, that is tuber omentale. And fourth one is tail. Okay. Okay, this shows the parts of the pancreas. Pancreas has four parts: head. Okay, this one is head. This region is neck. Okay, and this is the body, and this is the tail. Okay, guys, and head and body has one processes. Okay, head has one process. This is the process. Okay, this is called uncinate process, and the body has one process called tuber omentale process. Okay, I think it is clear. These are the parts we don't see before fully. Pancreas is more or less horizontally located in a posterior abdominal wall, and it crosses the abdominal wall from it's extended from concavity of duodenum to the hilum of spleen. Okay, opposite to the T12 to L3, and this one is the inferior vena cava, and this is the abdominal aorta. This is the tail part of pancreas. This is the body of pancreas. This is the neck of pancreas. This is the head of pancreas. You may observe here, this is the tuber omentale. This is the process of head. This is the process of head, that is tuber omentale. This is the process of head of the pancreas. That one is uncinate process. Okay, I think it is clear to you. See and remember one by one. It is J shape, and these are the measurements. These are the parts. Okay, this is the diagram. This is the note. This is the parts of the pancreas, and in next video we are going to learn about the head of pancreas, detail about the head of pancreas. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.